So this video is reviewing quadratic regression. So what we want to do is when we get a table like this and we want to find the actual quadratic equation, we're going to use our quadratic regression equation. So we get that from our standard form, which is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And all we do is we just take the y, we put a 1 after it, and this equal sign becomes the tilde, or like what we like to call the squiggle. And then we put 1s after the x's as well. So we have ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c. So if we type that in, we're going to get what our a, b, and c values are, and we can plug them in and get our quadratic regression. So let's look at Desmos and see how to do this. So in Desmos, what we want to do is first click on this plus sign at the top left-hand corner, and we're going to click on Table so we can create a table. And then we're just going to type in the x and y values we're given. So my x values were 1, 3, 4, 6, and 8. And then my y values are 1, 9, 10, 6, and -6. So now that we have these in here, you can see that some of them have been plotted here on Desmos. And in a new box, we want to type in that regression equation. So again, that regression equation is y1 with the little squiggle, then ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c. So once we have this all typed in, we can look down here and it gives us what the a value, b value, and c value are. And then we just plug that into our standard form equation and you have your actual equation for the quadratic that best fits the data given. All right, so what we saw in Desmos was that the a value was a -1, that b value was 8, and the c value was -6. So what we're going to do is use these values to plug in for this a, b, and c. So we have y equals a, which is -1, x squared plus b, which is a +8, and we put an x after that, plus c, which is -6, so we have a -6 at the end. And that's how we find the regression equation when you're given a table and asked to find the equation.